Welcome back, guys. Before the video starts, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you want this? A light motion shakes. First, import clips, which have tiles. Now zoom your clip as I do. Then cut it to the length you want. Add keyframe in the start, middle, and in the end. Now add 3 keyframes between the first and second keyframe. Move the first keyframe into bottom left, the second into upper right, the third into bottom right, the fourth a little bit into bottom left, the fifth a little bit into upper right, the zoom a little bit in the last keyframe. Add keyframe like I do and move it a little bit into upper left. It should look like this. Go to Effect, then Nightclub, and select Shakes. Make the shake effect half the clip. Then apply it to all clips. Add keyframe in first and make all 100. Add keyframe in the last and make all 0. Copy it one time. Go to Effects, then Opening and Closing, and select Oblique Blur. Make it half of the clip. Apply it to all videos. Add keyframe in first and make all 100. Add keyframe in the last and make all 0. Copy it 2 times. It should look like this. Go to Effect, then Nightclub, and select Rebound Swing. Select Adjust and make Speed 20. Go to Effect, then Nightclub, and select Black Flash 2. Go to Adjust and make Intensity 7. And that is how proper shakes are done. Thanks for watching and for 400K subscribers.